Hey, everybody.
We did a chug before. I'm gonna go ahead and get started, and it was fail.
Major fail.
We thought we were getting better at chugging, but we kind of let it slip.
That's what we get for thinking.
And both of us didn't make it through a single 12-ounce chug without having to stop.
It's pretty sad.
Which I figured we were experts, by now. So this.
Well, it had been a long time since we've done
We've had
chug.
grandkids around a lot and all that sort of stuff, but
Yeah,
to be
we've
quite
had to
honest,
behave.
we were embarrassed.
Yeah.
To be honest. So we're gonna chug, and we're gonna make it.
Are we timing? We did not.
We're not
discuss this
timing
part.
right
Okay,
now.
this one we're just gonna chug.
We're just chugging.
We're gonna
make
chug
it.
and give you a burp.
We haven't even earned trying to time it. It'll be 20 seconds if we try to time it.
True.
So
Okay, so
we'll see how this goes. So
chug and burp.
we're slamming.
Because you
this
know a
thing-
burp is coming.
Yeah, we're slamming this some bitch back.
Love you.
Cheers, love you.
You can start after I did. Oh my god. Damn, that makes you full.
I've got it.
My god. He's working them up and I'll just do them.
Gotta find that spot. Gotta find my burpy baby spot.
The one thing I don't like about chugging PBRs, which is what we chugged. That was a good one. They have a bitter aftertaste when you chug it.
A little bit.
And I don't like that.
I mean, that's kind of bland if you ask me.
Yeah, but I mean, I don't like that bitter aftertaste, which starts getting to me. Actually, I guess it's while we're chugging, it starts getting it towards the bottom.
Well, next time we can try it. It was a Yingling we failed on, I think, so we'll
Yeah.
try Yingling next time.
Yeah.
But
Okay.
anyway, success.
Success.
Peace. And metal.
Rock and roll.